In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the name in Outlook Mail. By the end, your display name, the name people see when you send emails, will be updated across Outlook on the web. This is great if you've recently changed your name, want to fix a typo, or prefer a more professional display. First, open Outlook on the web in your browser and sign into your account if you aren't already. Once your inbox loads, look to the very top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture, or if you don't have one, a circle with your initials. Click that to open your account menu. From the menu that appears, choose My Profile. This takes you out of your inbox and over to your Microsoft account profile page, which controls how your name appears across Microsoft services, including Outlook. If prompted, go ahead and confirm your sign in or verify your identity. This is normal and helps keep your account secure. On the profile page, find the section labeled Your Info. Within that area, click Edit Name. This opens the name editor where you can update your first and last name. Type the exact name you want others to see on your emails. Pay attention to capitalization and spacing so it looks the way you expect. If you use a middle initial or a preferred nickname, you can include it in the first name field, but aim for something clear and professional if you use this account for work or school. When you're happy with it, click Save. That's it. Your change has been submitted. In most cases, the new name appears right away, but it can take a short while to sync across all Microsoft services. If you don't see it immediately in outgoing messages, give it a few minutes and refresh your browser. New emails you send will start showing the updated display name to recipients. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you're using a work or school account, your organization may manage names centrally. If the edit name option is unavailable or changes don't stick, you may need to contact your administrator. Also, if you have multiple Microsoft accounts, make sure you're editing the correct one that you use for Outlook Mail. Finally, consider updating your profile picture while you're here for a consistent professional look. And that's all there is to it. You went to Outlook, opened your profile, selected My Profile, chose Edit Name in your info, entered your preferred first and last name, and saved. Thanks for watching and enjoy your updated display name in Outlook Mail.